He got that shit on, though. I'm Ashley than a hoe. He got that shit on, though. Teach me how to. No, wait, no, wait. What's the dance? I'm a jerk. I know. I'm a jerk. Teach me how to. Teach me how to. Bro, I'm so ashy, bro. I should. Yeah. The time has finally come, bro. It's been. Let's see. I ordered these February 12th, bro. So that's about 2 months. So I actually did receive these on yesterday. So April 30th, the day that I'm recording is May 1st. So you guys can do the math. That's about 2 months of literally waiting for my Yeezy Pods, bro. And we finally got them. So this is the, I'm gonna cover my address, but this is the package that they received, that they came in. They came through USPS, so I kind of had to wait to go to my mailbox, and that's why it took another day. Because I don't know why I thought that they would come in a box, because I'm like, they're literally socks. So yeah, they came in this small package, and this is the time. We're gonna figure out, are they really $20 worth? Are they even $20 worth? Was it worth all of this pain and suffering, all of this time waiting? Because bro, I made a whole separate video explaining, you know, all the trials and tribulations that we have to go through to even, and some people probably still haven't got these. If you got these in the mail, let me know. If you haven't, let me know if you're still waiting. But I had got my email. Well, here's the thing, right? They sent out a wave of emails. They sent out an initial email saying, hey, we're working on the orders, and they show like workers packaging up the Yeezy Pods. And I was like, and my friends showed me that, and one of them, he didn't even order Yeezy Pods, and my second friend, she ordered after me because I was the one who told her to order it in the first place. So I'm like, why did I not receive this email? But I got my shipping confirmation first, and I'm pretty sure that I just signed before they received theirs, right? So it's been one hell of a ride, but I'm ready. Now, I did order two. One is for me, and one is for my mom. Now, I wear a size 13 or 14 in Yeezy Pod, or I know I wear a 13 or 14, and all my Yeezys are size 14. Now, on the Yeezy Pod sizing, they said that the 3, which is the highest size, the highest is a 13. I think the size range was 11 to 13. So I'm curious to see if these even fit me, but I'm assuming that they will because it's a sock fit. So it'll be, you know, less material and stuff, so it'll kind of be shaped to my foot. Now, my mom is gonna get mad at me because she wanted me to open the do ours together, but I kind of have to figure out which one is mine, and I'm assuming this one is mine because the package is bigger. So the moment we all been waiting for. So I'm gonna open these and I'm gonna go ahead and try them on for you guys, and then I'm gonna do like a set of activities. I'm probably just gonna like walk my dogs in the grass and see how I feel like walking on them in kind of like harder terrain, or walking on the concrete, because I know that's what a lot of people kind of like, you know, is it worth it? Like, where can you actually wear these to? And also, me and my mom, we're gonna, because my mom's a personal trainer, so we're also gonna do like some type of like leg day workout in the Yeezy Pods to see, are they worth it? So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for all that. So here we go, bro. Here we go, bro. All right, so here we have, and that's crazy. All right, so they gave me a packing slip, and I'm not gonna show it because it has like literally all my information. But so that they shipped it April 25th, which is crazy because I ordered February 12th. So technically, it took them 5 days to ship. And then it also says, if you place an order for a Yeezy Pod, please advise that that'll take 4 to 8 weeks for your order to be fulfilled. Now, if you all remember, the website originally said just 4 weeks in general. So they're trying to, you know, back up their stuff. So that's it. So these are mine because I'm assuming that this little bag that it comes in, it has the number 3 on it, which is the size number that I ordered. So I'm just gonna go ahead and leave this for my mom because she is a 1. And I'm really confused because she wears an 8.5, and the size 1 went to, I think it ended off at a 9. I really don't know at this point. It's literally been so long, but hopefully these fit her as well. So opening up this like drawstring bag. Am I doing it wrong? Okay, gotta untie it first. Here we are. Here we are, bro. Okay, I don't even know what to say for real. Now it does seem a little bit thick though. It does seem like a very like thick sock. Like it feels like a, you know, like those stance socks they're like with the graphics on them, they kind of like have that thicker material, or like a Christmas sock. It feels thicker on that material. Now these are like the soles, so this is basically what's going to be protecting my feet. A lot of people are also wondering, like, bro, are you going to be walking barefoot? So this right here is going to be like essentially the soles of the shoe, the pod, whatever you want to call it. And this is going to be protecting my feet. Now it does feel a little bit sturdy. It does feel, I think it is going to have some type of protection. Now obviously there's this like in the middle, this little gap right here. And so that'll probably be my curious point as well. Will I be able to fill this little small gap? So yeah. So I'm gonna switch POVs. I'm gonna probably set up a tripod so you guys can see a full fit, but I'm actually gonna just try it on right now. Actually, no, I'm gonna just wait to get the tripod and then you guys can have just my whole initial reaction of trying it on everything. So I'm assuming, oh, and that's also another thing. Am I gonna have to wear socks with these? I think it would be dumb to wear socks, right? Yeah, I think I'm gonna just go these, bro. I'm gonna raw dog these. All right, so be back in a few for my second POV with the YZY Pods. All right, so here we are. Y'all get to see the dogs out, and we're finna try them on, see how easy they are to put on. So I'm assuming this is the right. I guess I'm just put it on like a regular sock. Oh, okay, look, this is real. Okay, I guess I'm gonna have to, bro, it feels weird because it's like, my foot's not all the way at the top, but it feels like I gotta like squeeze it all the way up. See, this doesn't even look right. And like that gap that I was talking about in the middle, it feels weird because it feels like scrunched up right there, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and put on the other one as well. But I mean, it feels weird already trying to like walk a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and put these on. Maybe I'm putting them. Now this one was a little bit smoother. I don't know. Look, it's already got like white stains on it. See that right there? And I'm ashy, bro. This is embarrassing. But this is real raw footage of what the YZY Pods look like. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I'm low-key disappointed. Cause it doesn't feel, like it literally feels like a sock, and I guess that is the whole point, but it's like, I don't know. I really don't know what I was expecting, right? And it's like, how would you even style these, bro? But, so, I mean, I guess on the fit, you guys can see that, right, this is where my foot is right here. So it does fit pretty accurately. So, you know, it's not tight at all. My feet have a little bit of room. So the 3 is perfect. I'm a size 13 and I wear 14 in Yeezys, and these are pretty cool. Now, I think it's just like it's just a whole extra piece of like material where you kind of just have to like adjust it like so many times, right? And it's like, I don't know. But the thing I do like about these is that I'm the type of person, bro, I'm on an extreme low supply of socks. So if I were to go to the gym or anything, just like quick errands, I would probably just throw these on. Now, I would probably look dumb, bro. I don't know if I would really rock these with shorts, right? I think I would probably just wear these with sweats, right? And just have it covered up because not like, I don't know, bro. I feel like I look goofy, bro. This is definitely something new. This is definitely, I don't know. I don't even know if this is a bad reaction or not, because this is literally like, I'm at a loss for words, bro. I literally don't even know how I feel about these. But just walking back and forth, they do feel comfortable for sure. But I'm gonna see these dogs right here. I'm gonna probably go ahead and take them on a walk. We're gonna go like on like a grassy trail, and so I'm gonna go ahead and see how it feels on concrete and walking in the grass, and then we'll see like how dirty it gets. So I'll probably walk them for like 20 minutes, and then we'll see how that is, because as of right now, I mean, like, bro, they're cool, right? They're cool in the house. They're cool in the house because the house is a judge free zone. But if I go to the grocery store, bro, I don't think I could bag a baddie in the YZY Pods. I do not think I could bag a baddie in the YZY Pods, bro. Not in shorts, at least, bro. I gotta see them in sweats, but at least they fit, bro. I would have been mad. I would have been mad at Kanye, bro, if I waited 2 months and these didn't even fit. But they are. I will say, let's just break down the pros and cons before I go walk these dogs. Pros, they're convenient, right? You know what I'm saying? Like, I literally have no socks. If you guys watch any of my other like on foot unboxing videos, I'm always wearing mismatched socks. So these are definitely good. Pros, it was $20. You know what I mean? So Now, what I'm curious about is how many uses am I going to be able to get before I'm have to like, do I need to wash these or I don't know? Because right now, oh, and definitely I would not wear these with socks, bro. I would not wear these with socks, bro. Now that I'm thinking about it, no, heck no, because you can see how tight it is on my legs, right? It would be no point for socks. Now I will say that I don't think my feet are gonna get hot or sweaty, but then again, I'm also not in the sun yet, and the sun is just now rising, so it's gonna be perfect time for the dog. So those are my two pros. They're cheap, they're convenient, and they're comfortable. They're actually really comfortable. The more that I have them on, the more I feel like I don't mind wearing these. You know what I mean? Now the cons, I really don't know how to style them for real. I don't think you can really wear these with shorts. I don't think these were meant for shorts. I think you can only wear these with sweats or some type of baggy attire. Another con is what another con is the material, right? It feels like there's like a little extra bit of material and you kind of have to just like constantly adjust it to get like that perfect fit. But other than that, bro, it's $20. You get what you pay for. You dig what I'm saying? So it's like, am I mad over it? No, I only spent $20, right? You know what I mean? So I'm gonna go ahead and walk these dogs out so we can go get a little performance test in. So see y'all in the next POV. Here we are, first initial reactions of walking outside in my Yeezy Pods. It seems, bro, it feels like I have a shoe on, bro. If I were to like close my eyes and you know not remember what I had on my feet, I would definitely think that I had shoes on. The soles are definitely great. You don't feel anything. Now again, like I said, with that extra material, it just feels like a little bit loose. And with the sizing being so different, because like I said, I'm a 13 or a 14, and you know the 3 stops at a 13, and I feel like there's still a lot of extra space. So I wish there was just a way to like kind of like adjust that extra space feeling, because it just feels like, you know, when you have just a really big sock on and you can't like get it right, you just have to like constantly adjust it. That's my only concern about it. But walking on them feels amazing, and so I'm gonna go ahead and walk in that grassy area down there, just so you guys can so I can know how it feels to walk in the grass and how dirty they get, because that's also one of my biggest concerns is like, am I gonna need to wash these? Am I gonna need to like what's the maintenance behind these? You know what I'm saying? But overall, bro, these feel amazing right now to walk on them, and I feel like the more that I wear them, the more comfortable I get with them, and the less, you know, my initial thoughts, you know, it's kind of bad, but now I'm cool with it. I would definitely just throw these on, bro. Going to the gym for sure. Now I usually go into the sauna when I go in the gym, so I don't know how that feel, bro. I'm not trying to have my feet musty, you know what I'm saying? Just I don't know. So but we're gonna wait till I do the gym video with my mom to see the mustiness of my feet. But so far we're all right, so I'm finna walk in this little grassy area, and now there's usually like water in this creek. All right, so I'm gonna low-key walk in the water. Come here, y'all. I'm gonna walk in the water, see if, oh, that's low-key a lot of water. Come here. I don't know if this is, hey, come here. I don't know if this is gonna be too much water, because I'm trying to like just test to see. Ooh, let's see. Okay, so I put it on the sole. You don't feel it. I'm gonna just walk through it. I didn't feel no water. I'm not gonna do it again, but I didn't feel any water. So I might do it one more time. I felt water on the sides. Okay, no, I feel water now. Okay, so initial rip, I didn't feel water. I felt water for sure, but it's not like I feel fine walking on it. When you walk on a wet sock, that is literally like top 5 worst feelings in the world. And I don't have that feeling. It kind of just like, it was there for a minute and now it's kind of like went away. So like, I don't even remember stepping in the water anymore. I don't really feel it, right? So I'm gonna just continue walking in the grass, and as you can see, like I'm kind of going deep in the grass just to see how much the pod walk picks up this grass and stuff. I'm kind of looking at the bottom of the sole. I already walked in water and stuff too, so we're gonna walk this for like 10 minutes, and I'm gonna see how the YZY Pods, how durable they are in this grassy area. So here's like the most like treacherous place right here. Is gonna be a lot of like dirt. I don't feel the rocks that I'm stepping on. Now I think this is like a little bit mud. Hey, get out that street, girl. Now that was a little bit of mud. Oh yeah, I just stepped in mud. I really don't want to do this though. Okay, so you guys can kind of see, like you can feel it, but you don't feel it on your foot, right? You kind of just feel it from the impact of the sole. But you know, so far it's cool. I'm not tripping. I definitely just feel like I'm wearing like a regular shoe, bro. And my dogs are going crazy. Boss, get out that street. Come here, boy. So now they're like splashing water on it. You can see kind of like so I kind of already got them like real dirty. And this is just like 5 minutes of walking through this grass. And I'm probably just gonna head back because it literally looks like worse. Now I probably wouldn't advise, you know, walking like long periods. Not long periods in the sense of like just walking for a long time. Like comfortability wise, it's phenomenal. But like in this type of like terrain and stuff like that, I probably wouldn't advise that for like a very long time, because I really don't know what the maintenance is going to be on these. You can probably just scrub these because again, it's just like this thin material. But you know, you just don't want to get it dirty. And hey, stop eating stuff, bro. So yeah, we're gonna probably just head back home, and I'm gonna just show you guys a final look at the shoe, and I'm gonna give you guys my final thoughts after I'm done walking these goobers. They're probably finna fight right now if I can catch it on camera. Yeah, that's all they do, bro. So yeah, we finna head back to the crib. All right, so kind of just my final thoughts after wearing them for about 30 minutes. And I actually did probably about an hour now, because my mom came home and I gave her YZY Pods, and we were just trying them on and just talking about them. And so one of the things that I didn't realize was that there was a insole inside the sock part. So when I walked in the water, that was kind of like one of the reasons why it didn't really like get that soggy feeling from like a normal sock, because there's actually an insole on the inside of it, and that's kind of like the extra material that I was kind of talking about in the beginning. I didn't really know what that was, but it's actually an insole inside the shoe. So overall, you know, at the end of the day, right, I paid $20, so I'm not complaining about it. I'm okay with it. The fit is fine. I don't think that I would have had to go down to a 2, and I don't think that there was a need for a 4, because I do think that I do have a little bit of extra space. However, my mom, and I'm gonna make her a separate video, but I got her a 1, and she's a 10 in women's, and she wasn't the happiest with her fit, but I'm happy with my fit as a size 13 or 14 person, getting the size 3. Overall, they're comfortable. I still have them on now. It feels just like a regular shoe, but with comfortability. And you know, there's not really a need for me to take them off, like, you know, and it's actually like kind of hard, not really, kind of rip the whole thing and like kind of rip to take it off. So honestly, I'm probably just gonna chill with them on for the rest of the day. Now, just the cons, probably just that they will get dirty easily. But then again, right, it's sock material, you know what I'm saying? And I'm trying to figure out what am I gonna do to like wash them. And I'll probably figure that out when I go ahead and make the gym video, because we're gonna be sweating, working out in them. So we're just kind of thinking about like, you know, just good hygiene and, you know, presentation for them as well. So if you're still looking to cop, I would definitely recommend it. Now, I don't know if you order now, would the orders be a little bit faster? I have seen, because they sponsor the Yeezy posts on Instagram frequently, so I see it almost every day. And I'm starting to see in the comment sections, everything is kind of shifted to like, oh my God, thank you Yeezy, I finally got my pod. So a lot of people are starting to get their pod. So, and he did put them back on the website. So I think production will be faster, but you're still probably gonna wait maybe about 4 weeks, just because he still has to get everybody else's order, but at least they're coming in, right? Everybody else, we just wasn't getting our orders for that 2-month span, but I'm okay with it. And I'm gonna make a couple more videos. So we're gonna make the gym video. I'm gonna show you my mom's reaction, make that video as well. And I'm gonna go ahead and do like kind of like figuring out how to style these. You're just trying to figure out like what activities are good in the YZY Pods and what activities are not good in the YZY Pods. So if you're looking forward to that, or you have any other you know, ideas that you would want me to do with these YZY Pods, let me know in the comment section below. And with that being said, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.